Shell Fuel Oil Plus, advanced technology working for you. In today's fast-moving world, it's hard to imagine any production process without the use of energy. It's heat-generating utilities like boilers, an important asset for manufacturing companies and service providers. However, maintenance issues or breakdowns related to usage of fuel oil in boilers and other equipment are not uncommon. An advanced solution for manufacturers. Shell is a global energy company with decades of research and development of fuel formulations and products that meet increasingly tougher industry and environmental requirements. Shell Fuel Oil Plus is designed by Shell scientists to improve the reliability and the performance of the entire system. Its advanced formulation can help improve fuel efficiency by up to 3%, lower particulate emissions and black smoke by up to 70%, reduce maintenance, help increase equipment reliability, help lower CO2 emissions. Let's see how fuel oil works. Here is a typical boiler system running on fuel oil. The fuel oil travels from the storage tanks through a series of strainers, pumps, and preheaters before it is burnt in the burner. In the boiler, the combustion gases heat steam and oil before they are emitted through the chimney. Let's take a look at the storage tank. All fuel oils contain heavy molecules called asphaltenes, which tend to build up as deposits. These deposits then settle in the storage tanks. In time, the sludge makes its way to the pump's suction line and back into the fuel system, causing blockage and disrupting the fuel supply to the boilers. In some cases, this may even lead to a plant shutdown. In contrast, Shell Fuel Oil Plus is a highly stable fuel oil whose formulation minimizes sludge formation and reduces fuel line blockages. For example, by changing over to Shell Fuel Oil Plus, one customer was able to reduce sludge by 22% in a period of 1 month. Now let's see what happens in the strainers. Strainers remove solid impurities from the fuel oil. With time, strainers get blocked due to the sludging tendency of fuel oil. This inevitably leads to downtime and more frequent maintenance. With Shell Fuel Oil Plus, the strainers are blocked less often, easier to clean, and the sediments collected are easier to dispose of. The next stop on our journey in the boiler system is the preheater, where fuel oil is heated to the right viscosity for combustion. Sludge buildup can lead to localized overheating, cocking, poor heat transfer, and blockage. Also, optimum heating is not achieved. Thanks to the advanced formulation of Shell Fuel Oil Plus, a minimum amount of sludge is formed and correct heating is achieved with the burner. Fuel oil is atomized and burnt in the burner. However, it is never completely burnt, resulting in formation of carbon deposits. These deposits can reduce the burner's effectiveness, negatively affecting flame pattern and worsening smoke emissions. An oil droplet is burnt up progressively from outside to inside, in the end leaving a core of unburned fuel called cenosphere. The cenospheres form the deposits in the boiler and the smoke in the chimney. Shell Fuel Oil Plus goes a step further by helping to burn up the internal part of the cenosphere, thus reducing deposits and smoke. With Shell Fuel Oil Plus, less combustion deposits are formed, and this results in a better, more stable flame. Let's take a look at the heat transfer process. In boilers and furnaces, energy must be transferred to the material being heated, whether oil, steam, or processed material. Carbon deposits can build up from an insulating layer that reduces the rate of heat transfer. These deposits are difficult to clean. With Shell Fuel Oil Plus, less deposits are or can be formed. Cleaning of the boiler can be easier and less frequent. The heat transfer and fuel efficiency gained here can help to reduce CO2 emissions. And finally, let's take a look at the chimney. Exceeding smoke and particulate matter emission limits can result in fines, force plant shutdowns, or force the use of more expensive fuel. Shell Fuel Oil Plus is designed to lower particulate emissions and black smoke by up to 70%. In the example shown here, a customer experienced a 50% reduction in particulate matter using Shell Fuel Oil Plus. Let's hear what some of our customers have to say. By using Shell Fuel Oil Plus, efficient boiler fuel combustion is achieved, which reduces the carbon emissions and is safe for the environment. After changing to Shell Fuel Oil Plus, there are lesser carbon scaling formations in the boiler tubes. This, in return, improves our maintenance, reliability of the boiler, and overall cost management. Using Shell Fuel Oil Plus, boiler maintenance becomes less frequent and cleaning is always easy and quicker. This enables us to maintain smooth boiler operations and reduces downtime for our company. Shell Fuel Oil Plus is designed to improve the reliability and the performance of the entire system, as demonstrated in many customer operations. Its advanced formulation can help improve fuel efficiency by up to 3%, lower particulate emissions and black smoke by up to 70%, reduce maintenance, help increase equipment reliability, help lower CO2 emissions,